What's going on, boys? How's it going? How's it going? Just got back from the gym. Well, I say got back. I'm on the way to work. It is 6:52. Looks like I will be 1.5 minutes late, but that's all good, dude. We're chilling, all right? Gym sesh was good. Didn't go yesterday because I just was way too tired. The axe chopping, dude, it got me going pretty good, dude. It's like, what a workout that is. I gotta start doing that more often, maybe. I kind of hate it though, so probably not. I think I'm just talking right now. But gotta go to work. We're picking up Miranda's car from paint later, I believe. I hope. So I'll probably leave work at like 2. Gotta go from my job all the way to her job, which is like an hour, and then to MAACO, which is like an hour from her job. So we should be getting to MAACO at like 4. They close at 5. I have to drop the 4Runner off because they have to fix some things on this that I wasn't too happy with. And so I'll be without a car for a few days, but that's okay because Miranda can drop me off at work because she goes in at 9, I go in at 7. So we wake up at like 4:30, go to the gym for like 5:30. And then from the gym, it's like 20 minutes to my work. So she'll drop me off at work and then I'll get a ride home from one of my coworkers. Anyways, yeah, so exciting stuff. Just kind of off the cuff, just got her car painted as well. Can't wait to see it. I hope it's sunny later so we can like see it in like good lighting. It's a little overcasty right now, just a little bit. Her car, like if you guys seen it in the other video, it had the classic like 07 to like 2012 like Honda, like the fade. I don't know if you ever seen like an Acura TSX and it's like pink. Her car was like not as bad as that. It was really just the roof and the hood and like the fenders and some like the A-pillars. But they should have fixed all that, so it should be all good now. Fresh coat of paint. She's super excited. I'm super excited. And I just got to drop this thing off, and hopefully they'll have this thing repainted for me by Saturday so I can pick it up because I have more stuff to do to this that I've been holding out on because I had to send this back to paint. But yeah, let's go to work, see what we're getting up to today. I've been working on that LS3 stroker Land Rover LR3 for a while. I bypassed the BCM for everything. Like I got the blinkers working, hazards, all the lights. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing dude, I needed to put just like a one-way alarm in it, right? Because like I'm never gonna be able to reprogram that key. You know what I mean? There's no ECU in it. It thinks it's being stolen permanently, so that BCM is not having a good time. Everything else works, but it's just like, well, besides the climate control, I still gotta figure that out. But got a one-way alarm from Best Buy, and our parts girl went there to go grab it, and the guy's like trying to tell her, oh, that'll not work. That won't work for that car. Blah blah. They call me. He's like, that won't work for that car. You have to go to factory reprogram. You can't use this alarm on that car. This and that. Da 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 da. The factory. You got to go to the fucking this and that. You got to go to the dealer. I'm like, no, I don't, dude. He's like, yes, you do. I'm like, dude, I just need a one-way remote. I was like, is that a one-way remote? He's like, yes, but it's not compatible with the Land Rover. You have to go to the factory. I'm like, dude, I just need a remote. Like, I'm like, there is no factory left. Like. He's like, what do you mean? I'm like, dude, there's a Corvette engine in it. Like, there's, you know what I mean? Like, there's no more factory anything, okay? And he's like, oh. I'm like, yeah, dude, please just sell my phone girl the fucking alarm, I beg. But yeah, got it working. Just got to finalize it, tie the wires up, and we should be all good. Was able to bypass everything. Alarm works, door locks work. Dome light comes on and off with it. Like, I got it going, boys. I got it going, all right? I'm the guy here, all right? I'm the figure it out guy. Not really. We have a good team. But oftentimes, whenever someone asks me what my job is, I kind of just tell them, like, so imagine your boss just came up to you and said, hey, this thing that's never been done before, I need you to do it. Can you do it? And you just kind of have to say yes and then figure it out. That's my job. Stimulates the tism, that's for sure. But anyways, see you guys in a second. So this is like the way more downstream stuff I was talking about earlier with the whole alarm thingamabob. This is after bypassing the BCM and all that stuff. So this is the little schematic that I'll show you guys in a second. So yeah, that's that. You get the friggin' going. So had to add these little universal door, what's it called, like the door switch, because these are internal and BCM related. No good. But you can't do it, guy. You can't bypass the BCM. You gotta take it to the... Shut up, dude. Shut up, dude. I don't want to hear it, dude. You're fucking Best Buy guy. Over here, you know what I mean? Come on, dude. With the dome lights, dude. Get it going. You know what I mean? Boom. Dome lights off, dude. I don't want to hear it, dude. The most unsorted fitment, dude. Look at this. This is like a Rocket Bunny on a Z with Oddhon wheels, dude. Every guy before he gets 5-inch spacers for the Z. It's okay, this one I'm pretty sure is getting an LS. So it will be cool at some point, just not right now. So on the way to pick Miranda up from work, I'm over here reminiscing, you know. I'm in quite the spot. Just flexed out, you know. But this time, hold on, because none of you guys are gonna understand, right? But if I just like, let me just, yep. Literally these two marks right here, this and that. Yeah. Let's go get Miranda from work. So I don't know if I mentioned this. Look at my fucking, you know what I mean? I got the fucking 7-Eleven set up. Anyways, I got the Ganges River set up. Anyways, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but the 4Runner's getting dropped back off because they got to fix a few things. Not a big deal. Unfortunate, but not a big deal. Also, I really have to, like, there's like oil stains and shit on this fucking headliner. I got to paint this headliner black. But so we're picking up Miranda's car, which got a full paint job and some body work. Hopefully it's all good and we don't have to send it back. We'll see. Because she will be much less forgiving than I. Because I have much less of a switch. You know what I mean? And for me, it's like, this sucks, but like, you guys should make it right. You're going to make it right, but you gotta ask nicely, you know? But with her, if we go there and there's any things that are on my car, this might be a problem, and this might not be a video for a while. But we're dropping this thing off, picking up Miranda's car, gonna come home. And I believe if she's feeling up to it, we're gonna wet sand and do some 2K clear on her headlights so they don't fade again, because you don't want to use that like Rust-Oleum crystal clear stuff because it yellows. But the I believe it's Spray Max brand, I want to say, I've used before, I think. And it's like an activated 2K clear, and it doesn't yellow, and it looks really good. So we're gonna get that going, and yeah, we'll see how the car turns out. Dude. Yes, I would like a water bottle. Get me a water bottle, please. Gotta go retrieve my woman from her job now. Cool little lineup they got going, dude. Hell yeah. We go pick up car now. You're driving. I'm just kidding. I was like, oh. No.
I just need to get the rest of my stuff.
Your what?
The rest of my stuff out of the 4Runner.
Oh, well, yeah. Hell yeah. Geeking. I see. It's subtle. It's subtle, but see right there is good. It looks good. I like it. We got to do something about these headlights, though. Got to wet sand and clear them. It's so hard to capture the color on camera with this color, actually. Like you literally can't see it. Like you can't see the fucking flake properly. Maybe from up and down? No, because it just looks black. There we go. Yeah, that's how you do it right there. And you back up and it's just black. But you can see kind of over here. Turn the brightness down. You can see all the... Anyway, so after 3 hours of driving, we're home. 4Runner's back at MAACO. The Honda's back home. I think it looks fucking good. We definitely have to restore her trim, like the mud flaps, and because like with this, you couldn't really tell that bad with the other stuff because this was basically all gray from the fade. Like all of this kind of matched that. So we're gonna have to heat that with some with the heat gun, get that to get nice and dark again, and also the little diffuser thing. And we don't want to wipe it right now because it's like freaking brand new. Like we're going to wait a couple days probably. We'll just let it be dusty for now because there's like dust all over it. Looks good. I'm glad we went with the color that we went with because it's like friggin' basically looks stock, but it's not. Like it just looks like it did before, but in the sun it's a little bit different because it has a blue, purple, pink, whatever pearl in it. And not pink, but it's like blue, purple, silver, pearl. Just look up Nighthawk Black Pearl. Shut up! She's in the fucking house taunting me right now. But it looks sick. I'm fucking happy. We need some wheels. If anyone in the tri-state area has some free wheels, let me know, dude. We'll come through, cop the wheels, dude. Ideally some 17s. They can be reps, don't tell her, dude. If anyone has some Vors TR37s, dude, bang my line, dog. Because we need some fucking... fake TEs on this thing so she can kind of match the 4Runner. Only my TEs are real, but that's okay. I paid rep price, so I can't even brag. I'm not going to sit here and pretend that I spent $4 grand on wheels. Anyways, so much better, dude. So much better. I'll try to like overlay some pictures of like what it looked like before. For them to fade, that's not bad.
No, that paint is pretty good.
Well, whenever I think of VHT, I think of people putting black on their taillights, which is AIDS and cringe. But this is actually nice.
Yeah. No, I don't do black, just red.
You heard that guy. She doesn't do black.
Okay. Don't twist my words. Anyway, clearly I like black. My car is black. Okay, my headlights look like shit, man. Don't look at the roof. Anyway, CRZ content coming at ya live from our front yard. Or some video, whatever, of like what the hood. It had the classic, like all of this was faded. The whole roof, like everything was fucked. The roof, the hood, the fenders, the A-pillars, everything. We just need to do the headlights. We need to wet sand and buff the headlights. Sorry, not wet sand and buff. We're going to wet sand and clear coat with the Clear Max or Spray Max Clear 2K so they won't yellow like this. And also I'm going to wet sand very lightly and clear the taillights just because that VHT stuff is good, but it doesn't give it enough. I mean, you could see like this shine versus this is like not good. So once these are nice and shiny, he hit me up on Facebook. He's like, dude, fucking look what I found in my garage. And I was like standing next to Miranda. She's like, oh my God, send me that. Like, she doesn't care that Haggard's dead. No one cares. She just likes the sticker. And like, we're appreciative that he even sent it out. So she just put it on her car because she thinks it looks nice, which
I think it looks pretty tough, to be honest, dude. Even though I wasn't even part of Haggard during that generation. It looks cool. It's a little homage, dude. It's like old logo, you know what I mean? Like it's only if you know, you know. Like none of these like normie new kids, they don't know, dude. They don't know what's going on. So like, you know what I mean? She might get a nod from a guy with like a few missing teeth, but it's okay. It's all right. It's all good, dude. I think this right here is my favorite angle of the CRZ, to be honest. It's like the rear quarter is my favorite. The front looks good too, don't get me wrong. I just really like the roof line of them and the taillights. I think the Type R Civic should have been this. Like, this should have just come with a K-Series and it would have sold. Like, imagine they just never had the EP3 and they just had this. Way fucking better, dude. But hell yeah. Let's get a couple shots of the front. If the 4Runner comes out like this thing, dude, I'm fucking happy. You guys couldn't really tell on video, but that thing needed some fucking work. And this is black too. This is hard to paint, like, and make it actually look good. Like, the red, it should have been easier, but allegedly not. But yeah, dude. Nighthawk Black Pearl, still a Honda color, dude. So it's OEM minus because it's an older Honda color. But I'm happy, she's happy. Fuck yeah, dude. Thing looks fucking good. Anyways, my chicken is definitely burning. Champa's fucking yelling at me to come inside. Look at him. He's pissed, dude. You already went outside and got your grass, Champa. I gotta go flip my chicken. Here, I'm gonna put you guys on to another quick meal. I think this is actually the first meal that I'm putting you guys onto because I'm pretty sure I've only showed like chicken and cheese before. Or sorry, chicken and broccoli, which is a staple. But, you know, you have your, season it however you like. Pound of chicken breast, 1 full bell pepper. Right? And then, boom, take your cheese, just put a handful in there, maybe a little bit more. Boom. Mix it together, put some light sour cream on top, no carbs. Not that carbs are bad, because they're not. You need carbs. But it's basically a zero, low to no, I should say, carb option. So you got yourself about 139 grams of protein, right? It's probably like 150, to be honest, with the cheese and the pepper. Because believe it or not, pepper does have protein. So you got, let's call it 150 grams of protein, 1,000 calories. That's a good fucking cut meal right there, boys. Boom. Light sour cream, 40 calories per fucking tablespoon, I believe. 2 tablespoons is 40 calories. Can't go wrong with that, dude. You can't go wrong with that, dude. Boom, all good, dude. That's dialed. You know what I mean? She's out here walking the cat.